If you're interested in seeing how I achieve these curls, please keep watching. What's up, y'all? Today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve these curls that I got going on here using some flexi rods.
So the first thing you want to do is damp the hair that you're going to flexi rod and make sure that it is smooth. I already brushed the hair out before I did this part, but you want to make sure the hair is free of any tangles or knots before you begin to roll. And you can start like at the bottom but not at the very tip, and what I like to do is roll the bottom around. That way I can still have room at the top to secure the bottom with the top. And then I am going to mist the ends of the hair just so it won't stick out and poke out. And once you're at the top of your head, you want to secure it on the opposite side of how you're curling, if that makes sense. So you want to secure it so that it won't unravel when you let it go. And I have one close to the end of this video where I show you where I secured it wrong, and then I had to fix it. So keep watching to the end and you'll see. Now the front is very important if you want your curls to fall over your face in the manner that mine do. Always want to make sure that you roll your hair going backwards, like away from your face, and then you can revel down. And once you get the ends, mist them with water and then secure those ends by rolling up a little bit more. Now I just complete my whole head in this manner. Now here I show you how, if you don't secure it the right way, your curls will unravel. So I had to re-rod it up a little bit more and then secure it in a different position, so that way that the curl could hold and not unravel, and the entire curl can get curled. Now you're all set. You want to let your hair completely dry. Once your hair is completely dry, you want to begin to unravel. So you want to be sure to unravel in the same pattern in the way that the curl go. So I had to change directions here because I rodded it different, but if you twirl the hair back around itself, it will come out right. And now you want to complete that all over your head, removing the flexi rods out of your weave. Now that you have all your flexi rods out, you want to give it a quick shake, and then you want to start singly separating each curl to give it more volume. So you just want to take a curl and twirl it around your finger as you separate it to give your hair more volume. One side has been separated, one side has not. Now that they're both separated, give it a little shake, a little fun. Don't mind me. That's my personality. But yeah, that's all I did to achieve these curls, ladies. They last throughout the whole day. If you want to make them last a little bit longer, try using a mousse or styling gel, and they could last longer than mine did. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you achieve the curls that you wanted in your hair.